Hello. So my name is Emmanuel Hagai, and I want to show you what we've been working on this week. And before I show you what we've been working on, I want to show you why we've been working on so that it can make sense. So we built this because of three reasons, three very important reasons. So the first reason is this platform is going to enable data collection in regions like Africa where the internet connectivity is not guaranteed. So to enable that, we're using not just the web application too, but a mobile application that can work offline. And this mobile application has been coded in React Native. This basically enables this mobile application, like we can basically use the same source code to build an Android and an iOS application, basically covering everyone with a mobile application, because most smartphones will either have iOS or have Android operating system. So the second reason that we're building this is, have you ever gone to the hospital and you have to stay for like 2 3 hours because the system is down? So we this is not just a system about data collection, but we've made it so that it can be used by a hospital to manage everything that they have. As you can see, bed management, bank, blood bank, medical plan. It can be used to monitor clinical staff. It can be used to basically everything, as you can see, everything. So, and the third reason that we're building this, we have this part about the precision medical research, whereby it's going to feed to take in the DNA data, and we are going to basically map this human DNA data into a very specialized AI model. And this AI model is going to basically enable us basically detect drug interaction based on your DNA, so that like it can be used to come up with to research about different drugs. It can be used to do further research about different cures for different diseases. It can be used to come up with you know basically basically the sky's the limit with this. So it has so much applications, and it's one of the most interesting reasons why I'm building this. All right, so today I'm just going to show the short demonstration about how the data is being collected. So the first thing that you'll have to do, you'll have to add the clinician here. Basically, like, you can just add the details, like using this page where I am. And after adding the details, we can basically go to the mobile application. So you will just basically need an internet connection when signing in for the first time. So we'll sign in using this first demo account, and just used yeah, you can use any country. For now I've just used Kenya because, yeah, it's for demonstration, but it supports any country. Then the demo password. Fantastic. Now here you are basically signed in. And so the next thing that I'm going to demonstrate is how it works when there's no internet connection. So I'm just going to basically go here and switch off my Wi-Fi. Fantastic. Now when the Wi-Fi is off, you'll see working offline. So let's say you want to collect data about a patient. You can just click here, and they see the consent about collecting the data. Yeah, let's say for demonstration, just say the patient himself is giving us the information, and you have explained to him all the terms and conditions. And basically you can enter the name. You can use any name, let's say Peter. Then the date of birth, just anything here. Then maybe it's male, maybe they are from Nairobi County. And all the information about them. Yeah, if the Caesar type. Let's continue. Yeah, the Caesar duration. Basically all the information that is needed. And then you are going to log the encounter. And then you can collect for another encounter. We can return to the dashboard. When we return here, you'll see this one pending. So basically you can collect unlimited number, maybe even if it's 1,000 data sets, you can keep collecting. Then when you're back to the internet, yeah, or you can just click reload. When basically you're back to the internet, it's going to retry the connection, and then it's going to sync that information in the server. So yeah, this enables you to collect data, but you are not limited by the internet connection. All right, so that's the short demo for today. Thank you for your time, and have a good one.